Napansin mo ba, minsan tinitilt ng dogs ang mga heads nila pag kinakausap ka? Hello, my name is Miss Suzanne. Hindi po ako vet, pero for almost 25 years, I've been an animal welfare advocate. I also had an international NGO that helps uplift the lives of Philippine dogs. Dogs tilt their heads for a reason. It helps them understand sounds, tone of voice, and even our facial expression. In short, literally, they're trying to read us. Sa mga dogs na sensitive or even sa rescue dogs, this usually happens pag curious sila or if they're trying to gauge your mood. And it's a way of connecting with you. It's a small gesture, pero punong-puno ng meaning. So when this happens, number 1, speak gently to them. Soft words help them feel safe. Number 2, give soft praise. Example, pag sinabi mo, good job, or good boy, or good girl, it goes a long way. Number 3, avoid sudden movements. Pag nagbigay ka ng big gestures, magugulat sila doon. Tapos, optional lang, bigyan mo ng treat or a cute toy. This reinforces positive interaction. Ang simpleng head tilt na ganito tells you that they're paying attention, they trust you, and they're curious about what you're feeling or what you're doing. It's like their quiet way of saying, I want to understand you. So, kapag naiintindihan mo ang head tilt, mas mararamdaman mo ang curiosity at trust nila. Maliit na gesture, but big connection. Para maintindihan nila ang subtle signals ng dogs nila. Next time na mag-tilt ang head ng dog mo, notice it. It's their way of communicating. Save this tip and share these to other dog parents.